Hello everyone, welcome to solve this very nice problem for the value of x. Square root of x divided by x is equal to 3. Let's come to the solution. We will find out the value of x by different method. Let's try the first method. As we have square root of x divided by x is equal to 3. Multiplying both sides by x, so we get in the left hand side this x and x from denominator and numerator cancel out each other. We will left with square root of x is equal to 3x. Now squaring on both sides, square root of x squared is equal to 3x whole squared. So this will become the square root and square cancel out each other. Here x is equal to 3 squared, which is 9, and x squared. So 3x whole squared will become 9x squared. Now by moving x from left hand side to right hand side, and here when we moved it there will be 0, so this will become 9x squared. By moving this will be negative at the right hand side. So we have 9x squared minus x is equal to 0. Now we can factor out x from left hand side. Inside here 9x minus x we have taken it common, 1 will be left is equal to 0. Now by using zero product rule here we get x is equal to 0 and 9x minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the first value of x. Here we get 9x is equal to, when we moved 1 from left hand side to right hand side, this will become positive 1. So by adding 0 plus 1 we get 1. Now we have 9x is equal to 1, but we are interested to find out the value of x. So dividing both sides by 9. This 9 and 9 cancel out each other. Here x is equal to 1 by 9. So we have found two values of x by first method. First one is x is equal to 0 and second value of x is 1 by 9. Before moving to the second method, let's verify that whether these values of x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1 by 9 is valid for given expression or invalid. So let's verify. First we will verify the value of x which is 0. By putting the value of x 0 here, this will become square root of 0 divided by 0. Whether it is equal or not equal to 3, it is clear that it is not equal to 3. But when the 0 is in denominator, so the function or equation will become undefined. So 0 is an extraneous root. We can say that 0 is an extraneous root. Now we will check that x is equal to 1 by 9. This value of x is valid or invalid. By putting the value of x 1 by 9 here, square root of 1 by 9 divided by x which is 1 by 9, whether it is equal or not equal to 3. We can write this as square root of 1 divided by 9. This is square root of 1 divided by square root of 9. Then this will become square root of 1 is equal to 1 and square root of 9 is equal to 3. So we will write 1 by 3 in the place of square root of 1 by 9. Divide by, we can write this 1 by 9 is equal to whether 3 or not 3. Now change the sign of division into multiplication. So by changing, this denominator will become numerator and numerator will become denominator, whether it is equal or not equal to 3. And here 3 multiplied by 3 we get 9. So we have left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence our value of x which is 1 by 9 is only one real solution for the given expression. Now let's try the second method. In the second method, we can write this square root as x power 1 by 2 because the value of square root is 1 by 2, and by moving this x from denominator to numerator, this will become x power minus 1 is equal to 3. As when the bases are same, let a power m multiply by a power n. When the bases are same, then their power will be added, m plus n. So the above equation, which is x power 1 by 2 multiplied by x power minus 1, this will become x power 1 by 2 plus minus 1 plus into minus, we get minus 1 is equal to 3. Now x power 1 by 2 minus 1, we get 1 by 2 with negative sign is equal to 3. It means that the denominator of x power minus 1 by 2 is 1. So we will write this as 1 divided by x power 1 by 2. When we moved x power minus 1 by 2 from numerator to denominator, then their exponent will be positive is equal to 3. So now we can write this as, by doing cross multiplication, we get x is 1 is equal to 3 into x power 1 by 2, and dividing both sides by 3. So we get x power 1 by 2, this 3 and 3 cancel out each other, is equal to 1 by 3. Now to find the value of x, squaring on both sides, x power 1 by 2 whole squared is equal to 1 by 3 whole squared. So this will become 1 by 2 multiplied by 2, because if we have a power x to the power y, then this is equal to a power x into y. And here this will become 1 squared divided by 3 squared. So now here this square and square cancel out each other, 2 and 2 cancel out each other. Here power 1 will be left. This is equal to 1 squared, which is 1, and 3 squared, which is 9. This is the value of x which we have been verified this. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe this.